We are not APC. APC is not for Southeast. I've said it before. And Southeast is not for APC. APC is for Yoruba and Fulani party. It is a wicked, evil party with their evil, wicked agenda. They do not want Igbos. They have been marginalizing Igbos for a very long time in that country. So you cannot come and tell us about aligning us to the center. Center of what? Center of what? Have they allowed Igbo person to become a president? And even what they also do is they are Benjamin and Ojo Kalu in particular. Everything they're doing is for their own personal benefit. Tinubu got her assignment to go and make sure that they secure Southeast region for the presidential election and also for the governorship election. They promised Ojo Kalu that they're going to make him the Senate president. They promised Benjamin that he's going to become the governor of Abia State. And that is why he's fighting Alex Oti left, right, front, and center.